Hello, how to analyze stocks for swing trading using up trend line swing trading strategy, especially long up trend line swing trading strategy. We have our stock watch list. We are going to use daily chart to analyze the stocks, and we will use you can use either 1 year daily chart or maximum daily chart. Because our long trend lines, some of them are very low, it may not be seen on 1 year daily chart. Therefore, we are going to use maximum daily chart. And we are using Thinkorswim platform. We use it just for chart analysis, and we trade on ChartSwap account. So if you have ChartSwap account, you'll be able to download Thinkorswim to your computer. They have the cell phone version as well, but I only use the computer version. And you'll be able to access the time frame up, and then customize the list to have the different time frame you want. But we are using a maximum daily chart. Maximum means you'll have more than 1 year on your screen. 1 year daily chart means you'll have 1 year time frame on your screen. The bar will be bigger for you to see, but maximum daily chart will cramp the bars, the price bar, so that multiple years are on your screen. It gives you more view of what is going on, while 1 year daily chart will give you about 52 weeks or so time frame to work with. Because we are using daily chart, we swing trade on daily chart. Every single bar is a daily price bar. That means every single bar reflects price fluctuation of a day. Green price bar means the price when the market opened in the morning was lower than the price when the market closed in the evening. That means the price went up that day. On my chart, it is represented by the green bar. A red bar means the price when the market opened in the morning was higher than the price when the market closed in the evening. Since the price at the end of the day was lower than the price in the morning, that means the price went down that day. It is represented by a red bar on my chart, and I like to call it a pullback or a low. But by low, I usually reference the bottom of the rectangle, but in general, I'll call those red bar a pullback, and the green bar, the price is going up. Even if the level of it is lower than the red bar, I still call it the price is going up because the price went up during those green bar days. We swing trade on a daily chart, and we only use the daily chart to do our chart analysis as well, and to make our purchase requests and our sales requests as well. So now, what kind of strategy do we use to swing trade? We use long up trend line swing trading strategy, especially this year. And what that means is we have our stock watch list of about 79 stocks that we handpick, and we have videos on how to create your stock watch list. For more of our swing trading video, will you please check the description of the video for the playlist. The name of the playlist is Swing Trading. It's going to be at the end of the video on the screen as well. We have the time frame that we use to analyze, which is 1 year daily chart or maximum daily chart. So for the long up trend line swing trading strategy, we select the trend line we like to use as our entry point. So, and we are using, because we are at the beginning of the year, we are using at least 1 year trend line or even longer. And to actually make the purchase, we like to make the purchase at the trend line. When the price comes to the trend line, we will make the purchase. But before we place the order to buy, we like to see the price is trending up along that trend line, meaning we are seeing higher lows, meaning the pullbacks, the recent pullbacks will be higher, the bottom will be higher than the previous pullbacks. In this example here, this low, when I pull my mouse here, the x-axis is below this one. Therefore, this low is lower than this. I'm not seeing a higher lows yet. Even though this low is higher than this one, to have an uptrend here, the set of price bars here were lower, and this low compared to this one is lower. Therefore, I'm not seeing a good uptrending just here. I'll keep observing it until I have a confirmation of an uptrend going before I enter at the next green bar. So I had to wait for another pullback and another green bar to compare that pullback to this pullback to see if I have an uptrend between the two. And then I could enter at the next green bar. That is the strategy we use. Does not mean that's the only one out there, but that is the strategy we use. So because we are going to wait to buy at a lower trend line, because the longer trend line tend to be low, we allocated a higher amount per trade, and we target a higher profit compared to short uptrend and swing trading strategy that we used in 2024. And we set our goal to sell or to exit when the minimum price target is reached, or when we reach a new high. But yeah, and again, last year we used a short trend line swing trading strategy, and we purchase and sell within 3 days or so. If everything is going well, the price is going up, we buy and sell on the same side of the swing. But for the long trend line swing trading strategy, the strategy is going to be different on how we enter and how we exit. We will go through multiple swings. We are not just going to buy at the first green bar after a pullback and sell 3 days later, but we are going to be waiting for the price to come to the trend line. And when we have a confirmation that is following that trend line, because the trend line is an uptrend line, you see this area is lower than this area is an uptrend line. So when we have a confirmation that the price is uptrending, we will be able to buy, and then we'll wait to see when to exit. Now that we explain our uptrend line swing trading strategy, we are going to start analyzing the chart for today. It seems like today is going to be a holiday, like January 9, 2025, but I'm not sure for the markets, but I'm not sure. But either way, we are going to see what happened on the market yesterday, and we are going to compare the last price bar to our trend line. Because we have a trend line we like to enter, we are now purchasing along the chart. We are not going to spend too much time trying to figure out what happened on the market. If the market for that particular stock, the price went up or the price pulled back, we are not going to spend too much time on that. We are going to quickly analyzing the last price bar to our trend line. If it's far from it, we move to the next one, and in this example, it is far from it. The next one is ADP. So when you have 79 stocks to analyze to see if there is one that, if there is one for you to pick for trading that day. We are not going to spend too much time with each one of them. So ADP is, the price is far from the trend line we like to enter. At this point, there is a trend line that ended and the price is going down, but it's still far from our trend line. The next one is AFL. It's far from our trend line. It could be following this trend line for the moment. And this one is showing us, you know, the origin of the trend line. Our trend line that we are going to trade at is we color them in purple, and you can see that this one is over 2 years old type of trend line. It touched base with a few times, but then we have even longer trend line that it touched base with as well in the past. But right now we do have the gray trend line as well, that for the past 2 years or so it's been trending, and that's this one. But we don't really want to trade it on that line. We just like to wait for that to come to this line before we enter. So we'll just keep looking or watching it to see what it's doing. Those three, we purchased them and we have them in our portfolio. We have not sold them yet because after we purchased them, their price went down. Therefore, they are in our portfolio until they become positive for us to sell them. So the next one is AJG, and AJG, the arrows are showing where we bought them in the past. The top arrows showing where we sold it in the past. So the last transaction was a purchase. We purchased it right there, and that trend line ended, and right now is going down. And since to reach this trend line, and then it start going up there. But again, we purchased some already, so we will need to sell them when it become positive. The next one is AME, and AME, we purchased it at that area, and then the price went down and keep going down. The next one is AMP. AMP, we purchased it at this trend line, and that trend line ended, and right now is kind of consolidating there. The next one is APH. If we highlight it in yellow on our spreadsheet, that means we already have them in our portfolio. We do not want to buy them again unless we really want to buy them. Otherwise, we will sell it before we buy. So this one, this trend line ended and is still around that area though, but we'll prefer to buy at this trend line, so we just have to wait. The next one is ATO. With this strategy, if you have a job, it might be a little bit more flexible for you to use this strategy compared to the short trend line swing trading strategy, in the sense that when the stocks is at the trend line, you still have time to get in, as it can stay there for a while. But yeah, so this one is far from our trend line, so we are just going to keep observing it. AZO, you are not going to purchase on a daily basis, but you are just going to analyze the chart on a daily basis. And when you find a good position for a purchase, then you purchase. AZO is far from our trend line, so a new trend line started somewhere here. this low is higher than this low, therefore we have an uptrend line there. But this one ended when this trend line, short, you see, we purchased them along short trend lines during 2024. This trend line ended when the low is lower than the previous one. The next one is BKNG. So we are going to enter at this line, and right now this trend line ended and is going down. The next one is BLK. We like to buy it at this trend line, and right now is far from it. This trend line ended because the price is below that line. BRO, we have BRO in our portfolio. That's why it's highlighted in yellow. We purchased it on this trend line, and right now it is below it. There is quite some consolidation going on there. Consolidation just means the price is now really they all are touching a kind of horizontal line, and when you go above them, you know, they're like the support is kind of horizontal there, and the resistance is kind of horizontal as well. Like there is not much there is horizontal movement going on there, so I like to call it consolidation. So maybe they are preparing to go down, or they are preparing to go up, and they are taking a longer rest. That's my way of interpreting the price movement. BX. So BX is far from our trend line, and right now is following this short trend line there. The next one is KC. And KC is at the trend line we like to buy at this trend line, but it seems to be going down because we are having lower lows. Therefore, we are going to wait to enter at the next trend line. And you can see that we traded in 2024. You see 2024 from there to here. So we traded on a short trend line following the chart, and this time we like to wait at a trend line for the price to come down to that trend line, and when it start going up from there, we can enter. We can buy some shares. CAT, we like to buy it at this trend line, and right now this trend line ended and it seems to be going down. CBRE. We like to buy at this trend line, and right now is way above it, nowhere near going down just yet. CL. By analyzing the chart on a daily basis, it allows you to keep practicing the strategy you are using in your swing trading and understanding the stocks that you have on your watch list, the price movement. So it is going to our line. We traded along this trend line in 2024, and then we stopped after we sold it Right now the trend line ended and it seems to be going down because it's making lower lows. This low, because we have a green bar here, this pullback ended, and you can see that this low is lower than this one, so it's making lower lows going down. Even this low is lower than that one because you have a green bar between that pullback and this pullback, so it's going down. CMG, on a short trend line you purchase it multiple times, but on a longer trend line it takes a while for the stocks to come down to those line. Once it veered away from it, it'll go all the way up somewhere before it will start losing momentum and will want to come back to rest on that line and then propel itself again. So that line is the valley. I like to call it the valley as well because it's the bottom of the mountain, the floor, and then the peak where we have our highs. I like to call it the peak of the mountain. So I like to use those terminology that are simple for us beginners to understand. So this, we like to buy it at this trend line, and right now this trend line ended and is going down. In 2024 we bought it somewhere there and the price pulled back down here and then went up, we sold it, and right now it's going down again. COR, so COR, we have this trend line that we like to buy at. Let's see what it's doing. So it went, we have an uptrend there, but then it has a lower lows and then we have a higher low. So we have an uptrend line here and then we have those. So I'm going to wait for a pullback, meaning a red bar, and then at the next green bar we'll be able to enter. So if the market does not open today, then it could be sometimes next week, but we'll just keep watching it. So it came to our trend line, seems to be going lower, but it's using that area as a zone because now it's turning around to go up. So we'll wait for a pullback. This back would have been a good one to enter, but again we have that higher lows here, but then we have a lower low. So again, I noticed that when you are choosing a long trend line to trade at your point, you have more flexibility, more time to enter the trade. Again, at the time that you think will be right appropriate, because you only see that time as appropriate after the facts. But you are not missing much. You won't get in right at that bar, but it's going to be around that zone. So we're just going to wait for the price going up, and when you back, which will be a bar, and when we see the next green bar, we'll be able to buy it at that time. So the next red bar hopefully will be a higher low as well compared to this one, giving us another confirmation that the price is going up, uptrending, and we will be able to enter. But again, it's just more precaution to make sure we don't get in too early and then the price will choose to go to the next lower trend line. Is why we are waiting for those type of higher lows to have a better confirmation that we can get in. We like to get in around this trend line here. Therefore we are not making sure the trend line, the way we are making sure the downtrend line broke is just to have a few confirmation of higher lows forming around this trend line, and then we can get in at the first green bar or the second. So yesterday I saw that second green bar, but I prefer it to wait for the pullback for me to get in. So you see, when the price is at the trend line that we like to enter, we spend more time to analyze what is going on there. Compared to when it's far from it. So Costco, we like to buy at this trend line, and we are waiting for a higher higher lows, and we do have that. Yesterday was a higher green bar. Yesterday was a green bar, therefore we can compare this low that pullback ended. Since we have a green bar here, we can compare that low to this low, and this low is higher than this, so we have an uptrend going on there. We could choose to buy today. If the market's open today, we could choose to wait for this to go up, pull back, and start going up before we get in, assuming that pullback will be higher than this as well, to make sure the price is not going to continue going down. It is just another extra precaution, but again, we have our confirmation of the price going up, and the price bar is not just a line, it's a kind of zone. But again, let's see, it did touch base with this trend line multiple times, and this line, it touched base with it more than once. This trend line is 1 year trend line, 1 year trend line. So what I'm going to do is I can wait for another pullback to see if that pullback is higher than the previous one, to be sure that it's going to continue this trend line, is not going to go down to this one before we enter. You see, we are just waiting for multiple confirmation there. Our confirmation is just a higher low before we enter. We are now rushing to enter because of our risk level tolerance. We are more, I do not take too much risk, therefore I prefer to wait. But again, you might prefer to enter there. But yeah, it could either continue going up, or it could either trying to go down. So you won't know until you try. CRM. So CRM, we like to buy it at this trend line, and right now this trend line ended, is going down. CSL. We like to buy it at this trend line, and it seems to be going to a DECK. So the ECK, we like to buy it at this trend line, and right now is following that trend line, that short trend line, going up. It's not going down yet. DOV. We like to buy at this trend line, and right now it seems to be following this one. ECL. We like to buy it at this trend line. Right now this trend line ended, it seems to be going down. EME. We like to buy it at this trend line. Right now it seems to be starting a new trend line there because that low is lower than this one, so this low is higher than this low when you compare their bottoms. EQIS is following this trend line, but we like to wait and get in at this trend line. FAS, those three, we purchase them and have them in our portfolio. We purchased a high up there, that trend line ended, and right now is going down. The next one is FI. We purchased that one somewhere up there, and the price, that trend line ended, and now it's following this trend line. FICO, we purchased it at this trend line, and the price went down. The next one is GD. GD, we like to buy it at this trend line, and it seems to be going down to it. The next one is Google. We like to go at this one right now. It's following that one. This one is GW. So depending on the strategy you're using, we'll make a choice before I will buy one because of my strategy, which is I like to buy on a lower trend line. The longer trend line seems to be lower than the short trend lines. So I like to buy this one, and right now, but the price is nowhere near our trend line yet. So I see at this trend line, and right now is right there. IRM. The entry point is at this trend line, and right now is right there. This trend line is going down. I have a portfolio. We purchased that trend line ended and seems to be going down, but it seems like it's creating a trend line here. J. That line is our entry point, but right now is up there. G, J, P, M. That is our trend line entry point, but right now is following this trend line. R. This is our trend line entry point, is this trend line. L, Y, Y. No, L, I. So LLI, we have, let's get closer. We have three trend lines that we like to buy at. So we have our uptrend, good. So we're going to pull back, and the next green bar will be assuming the next is higher than this one. And those two, we have them in our portfolio. L, Y, Y, L, Y, L, L, Y. We purchased it somewhere up there. That's ended. And it's not that short empire. The next one is Emma. Okay. We purchased a line. That's July trend line, and the price went up and right now seems to be going down, probably going down to here. We are now sure. So MANH. That is our trend line entry point. It seems to be going to where as this trend line ended. MAR. We have to buy this trend line, but on this trend line it's going down. MCK. So MCK, we like to buy at this trend line, but it seems to be following this one at the moment. LKL. That is our entry line, and right now is following a higher. We got some price one. This is up there, that line here, and so reach our trend line here. So in our MLC. We have one on MLC. This trend line ended, which is 1 year to this one. So we have low is lower than, so we are put low that can be higher than this possible option there. We are just going to keep observing around that trend line. It is our entry point. RVF is definitely a short line, so has way to go. We purchase some, the next we have them in our portfolio, and the price went down. So we purchase somewhere up there. So the next one is MSI. We purchase there and since it down. NVAQ. That is our entry point. Is going down. NVD. We purchase on the electron, or not electron, also the here. The price went up, back, went up, and so forth, and then back, and that was back as well. NVR. So NVR to this one line, but it's not going lower. We can't use the kilo, we just use price bar and support lines or trend lines. ORLY, we like to have this trend line. Right now it seems to be following this one. PCAR, we have some in portfolio. It's back up there and the back, and I see so we have and like this. Doing this with it's a trend. We purchase it right here. So some of the to sub level. PJ become positive in our portfolio. So PG is going down, and this is our trend line. Doing PGR. So PGR is our trend line. Let's see what it's doing on. They are going to wait for another pullback. This low is lower than this one, so we need to compare to this one and this one, and then to have later. We have some. We purchase some up there, and WR is following this trend line. But right now we like to buy at this one. Thank you. ROL is it remain what? So this one end is going down. But it's from both. We purchase the same. So let's make it a little bit bigger. So that is the trend line we would like to eat. And so I said we did probably saw it somewhere in this area also when it one, but then when this low is on this, which is on this, and we say so see at it or not right on it. So we are just going to be doing, yeah, we are just doing, and what we are talking about, let's open. It's opening. So what is going on? So we, yeah, that is 153.94. So the market was 154.63. So yeah. So this one is happy. So happy is something about portfolio. Purchase it right there. That one in there now is 20. The next one is okay. We have those here. We can wait back, and then we could add on this one. So that are actual numbers. One, a higher, lower before we buy the next one bar. So it's for the one you enter. This will be going down. SPGI. Is down the transformation in area. Shower from digital Gabriel to go shower. You show that. So it's higher than the but then now it's going down. Yes. CGS for additional is the entry one. So TS is showing that tree on and round to go on and next time. One T so it's one you like to buy as what's in the world, so you go for RB. RV. We purchase a this and you see still go again. There's a section there. Still continue. And you can see again that one like one. This one turn out to be red by the end of the day after we enter. But yeah, it's beautiful. Slow place. One more. One more higher before I buy at the next bar. So you can don't just have to and make a decision. So the next one is C1F. From going down. Oh boy. We have some in our portfolio. And then going down, we see there are some and it's on. It is up there following there, but this is where I enter. The next one is WAB. We have some portfolio. We purchase here and window. This is WM. We some. And it went down. Somewhere down there. So the next one is WMT. One mask is similar at the moment, but like the additional power. Next one is WSO. Which one? And price over there. And actually ended. And price now produce a big one. This upload how to explain the option and trading strategy. And then our stocks is what we have in our watch list that we analyzed today. Comparing what happened yesterday in the market to the trend line, you have to find anything to buy today. Yesterday, when the analysis and then we purchase it in the day. But today we did something. I'm Liberman, cross of consulting L.L.C YouTube channel, and also that on our blog. On our channel and on our blog, we share different ways to save money and different ways to make money to reach your financial independence, where you do not depend on an employer to provide for your family. The thinking is to make money. We thank you very much for all of your comments, and we thank you very much. You all that subscribe.
But you're done with that. Well, technically I am. I'm just at touch-ups. Just like touch-ups. Wait, Jay's showering? Perfect timing, buddy. Because I need my teeth brushed. Where do you? Alright.